Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk about something that's not just a hobby, but a vital skill for everyone, growing your own food. Imagine waking up one day to find that the grocery stores are empty. Scary thought, right? But it doesn't have to be. Growing your own food isn't just about preparing for worst-case scenarios. It's about taking control of your health, your wallet, and your peace of mind. Let's break it down. First off, there's the health aspect. When you grow your own vegetables and fruits, you know exactly what goes into them. No harmful pesticides, no chemicals, just pure organic goodness. Plus, gardening itself is a fantastic form of exercise. You're out in the fresh air, soaking up vitamin D and getting your hands dirty. Then there's the financial side. Let's face it, food prices are always going up. But with a bit of time and effort, you can grow a bounty of produce that saves you money. Imagine picking fresh tomatoes, lettuce, and herbs right from your garden instead of adding them to your shopping list. It's a small investment that pays off big time. And here's the best part, peace of mind. In a world where we can't always predict what'll happen next, having a garden gives you a sense of security. You can rely on it no matter what. It's a sanctuary. A place where you can unwind, connect with nature, and feel a sense of accomplishment. Let's talk possibilities for a moment. You don't need a huge backyard to start. Even a small balcony or a few pots on your windowsill can yield a surprising amount of food. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, they're all great for beginners. And once you get the hang of it, you'll find yourself expanding, trying new things, and maybe even sharing your harvest with friends and family. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each season you'll learn something new. Maybe this year your carrots didn't turn out as expected. That's all right. Gardening teaches patience and resilience. It's a journey worth taking, so why wait? Grab some seeds, get your hands in the soil, and start growing. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!